This cooler delivers outstanding thermal performance for modern Threadripper and Epyc chips while keeping noise levels impressively low, even under sustained heavy workloads. The large 140mm tower design with 6 heat pipes and a premium fan moves a lot of air without the harsh, tonal character many high-performance coolers suffer from. Compatibility is excellent for current AMD high core count platforms covering both the workstation-focused socket and the data center-oriented socket without awkward adapter kits. Its airflow direction lines up naturally with typical front-to-back case layouts, so hot air is guided straight toward the chassis exhaust fans instead of swirling around the socket area. The included fan uses pulse width modulation control, staying virtually silent at idle but ramping up smoothly when the processor is pushed hard, which makes it ideal for audio or video workstations. Pre-applied high-quality thermal compound and a well-thought-out mounting system with a dedicated tool make installation straightforward even in cramped server or workstation cases.